Okay, let's find you something else.
Meat. What?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Yeah, it's like clearing your throat, not with
Meat. What? Did I pronounce good now?
Oh my god.
Uh,
I can kill me.